What is Instagram Notes prompt? Hey everyone! Welcome back. Today we're diving into a cool Instagram feature you might have noticed recently, Instagram Notes prompt. Let's break it down how it works and why it's a game changer for quick interactions. So, what are Instagram Notes? Think of them as short, 60-character updates or thoughts that appear at the top of your inbox. But now, Instagram has introduced a new twist, Notes prompts. With the new Notes prompt feature, Instagram allows you to respond to specific prompts with your notes. This could be something like, "What's your favorite movie quote?" or "What's on your mind today?" It's a fun way to engage with your followers or friends in a more meaningful way. To use this feature, head to the Notes section in your inbox. Tap on the Leave a Note option, and you'll see a selection of prompts provided by Instagram. Choose one or type your own response. Once posted, your followers will see your response at the top of their inbox for 24 hours. One of the coolest things about Notes prompts is how they can spark conversations. Your friends can reply to your note, and their reply will start a private chat, making it an awesome icebreaker. Here are a few ways you can use Notes prompts effectively. 1. Ask fun, lighthearted questions to engage your followers. 2. Share quick updates or exciting news. 3. Create a mini poll or survey by asking for opinions. 4. Or just use it as a space for creativity or humor. Pro tip: make your notes prompt fun and relatable. The more personal or intriguing your prompt, the higher the chances of your friends or followers engaging with it. And that's all there is to it. Instagram Notes prompts are a simple but powerful way to interact with your audience and keep conversations fresh. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.